Hello everybody, welcome back to the 3 Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable and manage XPeng Regeneration on your XPeng car. So I am on the XPeng P7 Plus Performance. Now what you guys want to do is go over and open up your vehicle settings. Here in the vehicle settings, we're going to go to drive, and in the drive, we need to scroll down until we see XPeng Regeneration. We can set it to disable, low, medium, or high. We can also use the stop mode. So whenever our X pedal is enabled, even on low, the car will slow down to a stop after we release the gas pedal. So make sure that you enable this feature. And to enable it, you just press and hold the brake pedal. Make sure that you're also in P gear, and that's basically how you guys can do it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.